Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add solution to the Roborock Saros 20. If you're interested in the Saros 20, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all those links in the description. So to get to the solution tank, this cover is removable right here. Just grab it and pull it away from the station towards yourself. That's going to reveal our solution tank right here. They have a lid up at the top. Nice wide hole, very easy to pour your cleaning solution in, and you can fill it all the way up. They do have a sticker on here and a note. You're only supposed to use Roborock's cleaning solution, so do with that information as you see fit. But take your cleaning solution, fill up this tank right here, take the tank and put it right back in the station, and then take your cover and put the cover back on, and that's it. There you go.